It was jubilation outside Milimani locals for supporters of Machakos gubernatorial aspirant Wavinya Ndeti after High Court overturned the decision by IEBC to nullify her nomination on grounds that she was a member of both the Wiper and Chumba parties.
On my part, having considered the application, I am of the view that the issues to be raised in the substantive motion are substantive and cannot be termed as frivolous. They in fact raise prima facie issues for the purposes of leave, since irrationality, illegality, failure to consider relevant materials, failure to exercise discretion reasonably.
Justice George Odunga, while delivering the ruling, said failing to grant the stay order as sought by Wavinya will have the effect of making it impossible for Wavinya to recover the ground that shall have been lost during the period of the proceedings, while her opponents will be at liberty to continue with their campaigns.
Since I find that the applicant has established a prima facie case warranting the grant of leave sought, which I hereby grant, and I direct that the motion shall be filed and served by midday on the 12th of June 2017.
Odunga further directed IEBC to include her name in the candidates list to be published in the Kenya Gazette. Odunga said even if Wavinya's name is included in the Gazette notice and eventually the application fails, nothing stops IEBC from expunging her name from the ballot papers, with the result that no one shall have been unduly prejudiced. Machakos gubernatorial aspirant Wavinya Ndeti, through lawyer Willis Otieno, had moved to the High Court seeking orders to stay IEBC tribunal's decision that blocked her from running for the top seat in the county.
So it is causing her political hardship. She cannot even address a single political rally. And if she were to succeed in the main motion, those 2 days of not campaigning or not even having an audience to address the people of Machakos will cause an unrecoverable political consequences.
The decision of the tribunal is that it nullified, it declared a nullity the nomination.
Yes.
So what is it there to stay? It's a negative order.
Through a certificate of urgency, Ndeti argues that the respondents' decision are prejudicial and violates her right to participate in public elections, and further threatens to violate the political rights of people of Machakos County to freely elect a person of their choice as governor.
Finds that the complaint is merited, the complaint is hereby allowed with no other costs.
Yesterday, the IEBC Dispute Resolution Tribunal annulled Ndeti's nomination as Wiper candidate in Machakos governorship on grounds that she was a member of two parties, Chama cha Uzalendo and Wiper. Chumba, reporting for Channel 1 News Hour.